Okay, so let's go to next one. Let's see what's next. Okay, inventory. So for inventory, we go to Paragon. You can go to search and go to inventory. And then you click on search. Now you can see how many listings you have. Those are your inventory. If you want to change anything in your listing, right, you can check and then go to more, click on maintain listings. Okay, now you click on this number here. Now you can change the information that you made a mistake, or you want to update the room size information, right? You can update the marketing information, right? You can also update the marketing information. You see here public remark and internet remark. Once you finish the public remark, just copy and paste it into the internet remark. And that's it. Click on save, and you can continue input or finish, right? So this is where you add picture, where you upload your pictures. Click that. You can upload multiple pictures, right? You just click add files, and then you select the pictures you want to upload and click open. And then they will be uploaded, and you click start upload. After it's uploaded, you can adjust the position of pictures, arrange how people see the picture in order. After that, you click save, click OK, and you're done. If you want to set up open house time, click here, open house. Click add open house, right? You can start a time. Let's say usually Saturday and Sunday, right? You can put a date here, and you can put usually from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., right? After that, just click save, and you're done.